कसीदा कढ़िया है ना, कढ़ाइयां सलाइयां सब कुछ किया, वो भी गुण है औरत का। गुरबाणी च कहंदे है कढ़ कसीदा पैरन चोली तां तुम जानो नारी। What is this कसीदा कढ़ना? This is a very small kind of craft, very minute, which develops your सहज, your संतोख. Man can do that. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਆਪਾਂ we are the homemakers, you know. Nowadays the scenario is different, but ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਕਿ if man has to handle the kitchen for a day, things will be upside down, ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ, things will be mess. And what women does, in minimum she creates so much. She's so innovative, she's so creative within. You inherit these qualities from Almighty. And being a mother, you say by nature you are blessed, but being a mother, the kind of sacrifice you develop, sacrificing, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੰਤੋਖ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਹਿਜ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ. Now the unfortunate part is when women comes to know that a girl is a different, a mother is a different, you know, you grow with the years. मैं यही सोचती हूँ कि if we know कि women possesses this, तो why can't she makes her lap bigger? हम गुरु साहब ते सरबत्ते भले दी करते हैं ना. फिर then to see what you said कि the problem women to women is more of a problems. Why they are jealous? है ना गल आंदी. हुण problem इतनी है. What Mother Teresa did, that she is no more but she is everywhere.
Yes.
What she did, with the growing age she became more beautiful as a woman, and she became so much, so big that now the world knows Mother Teresa. Every mother can be Mother Teresa. You don't have to make any special effort. Only thing is that whatever traits, whatever virtues you are blessed with, you have to tame those. You have to make that your strength. I didn't know what a mother is. The day I became mother, I realized my mother. I valued my mother. ਸਭ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆਈ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ.
Yes, yes.
That day I realized what a mother is. And this is a cycle again. Our kids don't realize, but the day they become parents, they understand the value of parents. So now Guru Sahib ne sanu kiha bhi aaj tusi apna right mangde ho na, right mangde ho, but the woman who possesses this, who lives this, she is the best of the best in the family. और ਉਹ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਬੋਲਿਆ ਕਿ ਧੰਨ ਹੈ ਉਗਰਾ, ਧੰਨ ਸੁਗਰਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਪ੍ਰਗਟੀ ਆਏ. ਜਿਸ ਘਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀ ਨਾਰ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਜਨ ਨਾਨਕ ਸੁਖੇ ਸੁਖ ਵਿਆ, ਉੱਥੇ ਸੁਖੀ ਸੁਖ ਹੋਣਗੇ. Now give you certain example. In maybe 2000 I went to Pakistan for an international Punjabi conference, and that was the time, it was in Flaggis Hotel Lahore. They had a women's session over there. ਉਹ session ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ there were some interactive session also, and I went around in the city. I had the curiosity to know ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਮੁਸਲਿਮ ਕੰਟਰੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਮਨ ਦੀ ਕੀ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ. ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਕੇਮ ਟੂ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤਾਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਨੇ, ਬਹੁਤ ਬਾਹਰ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਇੰਨੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਨੇ ਕਿ somebody told me, he was a political person, ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਔਰਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੋਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਉਣ ਜਾਣ ਦਿੰਦੇ. I said very surprising ਕਿ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਾਰ ਜਾਓ ਜੇ, ਫਿਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਰਨੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਹਾਰ ਬਣੀ ਹੈ, ਤ੍ਰੀਮਤ ਵੋਟ ਪਾਉਣਾ ਵੈਸੇ. That was the scene. ਤੇ I raised them a question. ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਜੀ in the conference women the session see I took a chance. I said I have heard yesterday only ਕਿ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਔਰਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੋਟ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਉਣ ਜਾਣ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਰਿਮੋਟ ਏਰੀਆਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਕਿ ਇੰਨਾ ਪੜਦਾ ਹੈ. ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਉਦੋਂ at that moment it was a declaration that at lowest local level there will be 33% reservation. ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੁਣ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਫਿਰ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਲੜੇਗੀ, ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਕਰੋਗੇ? to deny the government ਕਿ ਉਹ 33% ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. I said ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ I want to share with you ਕਿ this is how Gurbani has blessed women. And I talked of the same जो मैं ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ 32 ਸੁਲੱਖਣੀ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ. I said I will pray because I see over the globe every woman is my इज माई क्लास, है ना. सो मेरी बड़ी कंपेटेबिलिटी है इस रिलेशन नाल. आई लव एवरी वुमन एनीवेयर, किसी भी तरह जो भी है वो, इरिस्पैक्टिव ऑफ लाइक रिलीजियस बैरियर वाले आते. आई सेड मैं ये कहांगी कि वही गल है, जे तुहाडे घर दी औरत, यू नो यू रिलाई ऑन द ग्रैंड मदर, then on the mother, जे वही ग्रैंड मदर तुहाडे नेबरहुड दी मदर भी बन जाए, if she owns that very street also, and if we owns a little bigger area, will you like it or not? I said you have to just say yes or no. Yes, we will like it. I said if she brings such honor to your family, भी वो सियानी है, ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਸਲਾਹ ਲਈਏ. I said will you like it or not? Yes, we will like it. वैसे I said my only prayer is कि विमेन ਜਦੋਂ ਇਸ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਆਏ ਉਹਦੀ ਆਨ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੋਵੇ, ਉਹ ਸਿਰਫ ਕਿਸੇ ਕੰਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ. I said then will you accept her? Of course we will. That was the answer. And I said कि ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਐਸੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਮੇਰੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ. This is how the Bani of Guru Granth Sahib educates us, and they were impressed. Simple. The issue is कि ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਲੈਬ ਨੂੰ ਵੱਡਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਅਸੀਂ ਅਸਲ 'ਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ. Now let me tell about the women. Issue ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ? I went to Australia. ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਲੰਗਰ ਹਾਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੜਾਈ ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਤੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਭੈਣੋ ਸਿਰ ਢੱਕ ਲਓ. ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ? कितने लिखा? दिखाओ सन. They say like that, है ना. They were sharing with me their issues, है ना. कितने लिखा? I tell you, कितना दिल नहीं करना सोने लगी है, मेरा भी करना है. I also want that people should like me, but वो glamour किस काम दा? You go to a parlor, dress up हो जाओ, कुछ कर लो, for how long it will sustain? You go to a party, I tell you one thing, we are dressed in our best kind of clothes, best jewelry, and the women are showbiz models everywhere. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ people look at you, everybody is busy in his or her home, okay, how do I look? The whole crowd is busy thinking how do I look. This happened with me. There was a time when I had a unique kind of jewelry, unique kind of things. I also like them. Whatever I have, nobody could have. But the day I realized this is a mad race, I cannot win, there and then I packed up everything. I went to a wedding. I tell you, I was pretty young at that moment. I went to a wedding in one of the relations. I was wearing jewelry on, and I saw the boy's mother was wearing very heavy jewelry. Somebody asked her, I said, everybody is doing the same. Am I in a race? Just within it clicked me. I packed up my stuff, and thereafter I never wrote it. Once I saw a dead body, and I saw somebody removing a kada of the person. I thought, अच्छा खीर तो लाने ही है ना ने, जेड़े लाने आप पानी नहीं. Very simple, and it was so simple. I just can't tell you. And you know what happens with me? ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ, ਕਰਨਾ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ? ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ, ਇਸ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਸਵਾਲ ਦਾ. somebody met me outside ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ, ਕਾਫੀ ਦੇਰ ਬਾਅਦ ਮਿਲੇ. ਹੋ ਹਰਜਿੰਦਰ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਤੂੰ? I was shocked. ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ? ਹੋ ਸਾਰਾ ਸਿਰ ਚਿੱਟਾ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ. I said ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਾਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ.
ਫਰਕ ਉਹੀ ਆ.
हाँ सच्ची कहती. It is just a complex. My daughter got the best kind of dye for me, and my close friends, they were fighting with me. तेरे सुत्ती पेरे कर देने. I said तुसी अपना मुंह काला करो, मेरा नहीं करना. I love nature and I love to stay natural. Simple. I love to stay natural. कोई मैं bound नहीं है किसी दे. Number one, that's how I am like this. Number two, I don't want to run a race which I can't win. Simple. That's how I am not a person of glamour world. That is a mad race which you can't win. ਤੇ ਔਰਤ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਗਾਇਬ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ. You know, the whole world runs behind the women. सारी फैशन इंडस्ट्री, ਉਹ ਕਾਸਮੈਟਿਕਸ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਛੇਤੀ ਬੁੱਢੇ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ। ਕਿੰਨਾ ਲਗਾਓਗੇ, ਲੁਕਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ। ਇਹ ਤਾਂ we are so blessed ਕਿ it reminds us every day you are short of time, do your job quickly. Nature is so beautiful. ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦੀ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਘਟੂਗੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵਾਲ ਚਿੱਟੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਫਿਰ ਦੰਦ ਜਾਣਗੇ, ਅਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਮਝਦੇ। We are so stubborn. We are not ready to understand if we are going, let's make full use of the given time. So बड़िया सिंपल गल्लां ने, वैसे तो सिंपल ही ने ना, but we don't ever think of it. We need to start thinking on these things also. और मैं इतनी सौखी हो गई, I tell you, I move around so much, and you know कोई hassle ही नहीं होता। 1 मिनट लगता है, कोई आवाज मारे भज के गए, गड्डी च बैठे बैठे हुए सिर भी मारेगा, सब कुछ करेगा, सारा कुछ हो जाता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना। एंड अ डे कम्स, ਹੁਣ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ, ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਉਦੋਂ ਰੇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਰਹਿ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਛੱਡ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਲੋਕ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਯੂ ਲੁੱਕ ਸੋ ਗ੍ਰੇਸਫੁਲ। ਇਹ ਵੀ ਉਲਟੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਹੈ, ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ, ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ।
ਟੀਚਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ
whatever, we're not bothered. We're not bothered. Whatever. So I think women be careful. ਦੁਨੀਆ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬੇਵਕੂਫ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਥਰੂ ਆਊਟ the world. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ commodity ਸਮਝਿਆ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ commodity ਸਮਝ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ। We are not commodities. We are not even individuals. We are the torch bearers. We are the leaders. We need to accept this. Huge responsibility with us. And when I said about the story of Job, I really mean it. I really mean it. It happens. Since I had been at the various levels, various positions also, people come to you and say, one day one Hindu gentleman came to my office. He was wearing so many stones in hands. So he was in that kind of a thing. Like, he said, there is a very positive aura in your office, behind you. And he sat for some. After some time, he said, yes. He says, you know, you have a covered head. You know what does it mean? It gives a very strong aura behind you. You see, कई बार लोग थानू आके कितना दी गल्लां दस जांदे हैं, which you never ever thought of. It is such a blessing. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਹੁਣ ਚੰਗੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗ ਰਹੇ।
ਬੋਲੇ ਕੰਜ਼ਰਵੇਟਿਵ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ।
No, it's conservation. ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੰਜ਼ਰਵੇਟਿਵ ਹੋਣ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ, it happened with me. ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਫਰਸਟ ਸੈਮੀਨਾਰ ਲਈ ਗਈ ਸੀ ਗਲਾਸਗੋ, I was with all the foreign women and I was all alone from India, and I was like this with a covered head, and they were the women who had the wine in hands. Some of them were chain smokers also, and it was a conference of good governance for 4 days. So I was like a stupid. I was taking notes all the times, busy doing things. Since I was out for the first time, they menu siga we have to do something. And 4th day I went out during the party time. You know, the last day before disseminating party time siga, I went to the city just to have interaction with our community people in Glasgow. And when I came back, the leader over there, her name was Kate Phillips, Scottish woman. She asked me, Harshita, we were looking for you. Where were you? I just simply said, I just went for the follow-up of the seminar. She said, really? And she took me. She holded me and she went on the stage. She said, we thought she's a typical backward Indian woman. Since covered head, nothing to say. and you are the only one who took follow-up of the seminar. See, that day I came to know that what the conservative is.
looks don't convenient.
And I love being conservative since then, and I developed this passion. Okay, wherever I go, people should know me as a core. And it happened very unfortunately with me, because Sikh women, most of the times, they are not sharing this. Nobody is teaching them all this. Only our mothers used to have head covered, as in when they go out, they had head covered. You know, ਸਾਡੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਿਰ ਮੁੰਨੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਗਾਲ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ। ਹਾਂ, ਤੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਿਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਢੱਕਿਆ ਤੇ ਯੂ نو ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹਦਾ ਬੜਾ ਵੱਡੀ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਸੀਗਾ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ ਪਤਾ, ਲਾਈਕ ਦ ਸੇਮ। ਇਹ ਦ ਡੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਫਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਬਾਹਰ ਗਈ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਨ ਦ ਪਲੇਨ ਸਮਬਡੀ ਆਸਕਡ ਮੀ ਆਰ ਯੂ ਮੁਸਲਿਮ, again you know you are hurt sometimes why we could not tell people, why couldn't tell world who we are, because most of the Muslims they cover their head, not the Sikhs. So why blame our kids? We shouldn't blame our kids. These are very simple things, small things we don't want to say also. We just want ki chalo let the things start from the living, from living everything will come. But I tell you, all these things are blessings. These are not hurdles. ਇਹ ਮੰਨਣ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਹੈ। Tanji, are you done? I just have given you the gist, not the whole class thing. This topic is too lengthy but very sweet. Someday we will have together the same topic only.
I think it is very important
It is.
to have
It
to
is.
have the values and
It is.
not only the outlook. of
Actually,
the-
yes. The women need to start the inner journey,
Yeah.
which we can. She doesn't know. Actually, most of the time she is ignorant.
Sometimes you are in such a hurry, you know, in life you are
Yes.
in such a hurry that
Yeah.
you
That you don't take time for yourself. I personally feel being a parents we fail so much because we are not trained like that. I wish that perhaps the today's parents they will be more educated. We were not like that. But I feel the grandparents now can play a bigger role also, because now most of the parents are working, but now the issue is whether the family is joined or not. That's another issue. But it's a blessing, I tell you. Being together is a blessing.
Panji, I am told that you were also a mayor of Chandigarh. Can you share your experiences as a mayor with us? Okay, I am an ex also, and so I worked in the districts and one also. क्योंकि उधर में क्या challenges, what sort of challenges as a lady mayor of such a big city like a modern city like Chandigarh, I'm sure you would have faced a lot of challenges from all sorts of people as well as politicians in delivering your.
It actually, indeed, it was a challenge to sustain, because I was from absolute minority. But that challenge became blessing for me, because we were just two. First time rest were 26. Second time we were two, rest were 36. So you take along the lot of 36. It was not easy job. So I had a challenge every moment, not every day, every moment. And so much came out of that challenge. As I said, I love challenges. The very first day I gave a slogan that I'll make this house a home. I think the womanhood is a very great quality with me. Being a woman, it was a blessing for me. And I wanted to do things differently also. So big challenging, because in political area everybody pulls you. Then I used to have exhaustive sessions like yours. I used to call everybody for the suggestions. I knew that they are full of energy and I have to channelize their energy. Before they ask me anything that I haven't asked them, I gave them a chance. Okay, this is an idea, what best you can do in this. And I stayed humble, one thing. Because I had passion for doing work. And being from minority, what I did, what they could not do at the administrative level. Since in Chandigarh, we have the governor of the state also. Then we have the whole administration who don't think good of politicians, and they don't give them a way also. So I broke that barrier. That was a very big achievement. That the very first day I became the mayor, I told my PA, I said, I fix up my appointment with the governor, the state head, Punjab governor and administrator Chandigarh. She was not making a phone call. I said, no. I said, please. She said, ma'am, they don't reply. I said, you just make a call. That was her past experience. They don't reply. She made a call. We got a reply. I went to see the governor. I told, I seek your support. I am from minority. I am a doer. Otherwise, I don't need any office. And I need your blessings and support. You know, seeing your confidence, he gave me certain words. And thereafter, he said, okay, you are welcome. And 1, 2, 3, 4 issues. As and when I sought an appointment from him, he used to ask my commissioner, what for the mayor is coming to me? And one day I said, sir, in case this, I represent people and I represent you as well. You know, it's a huge responsibility and I have to deliver. Without your support, I can't deliver. If on every point you have to ask the commissioner, sir, I belong to people, not he. I can give you the pulse of the city, not he. Sometimes he can be a very big barrier. And to resolve so many issues, I seek your blessings. Your opinion first, then your blessings to get things going. He said, okay, I understood. Thereafter, he never called the commissioner. And since I was clear, I took up certain agendas which were lacking. They used to boast of Chandigarh as a beautiful, this is done, this is that is done, what is that. And they showed as if we don't know, we know nothing, we are a mess, political people are a mess, they do everything. I said, okay sir. I went to him with 2 issues. One, I wanted to start the women empowerment agenda. Look, yes, I appreciate so much is being done by you, but I said the public toilets are the minimum requirement from us. Yes. I said I am living in 35 and this is all a good, hoteliers area hai, eating hub. I said there's no toilet existing. Who is responsible for this? I just wanted to wake him up, na? Huh? And you don't have to talk so much. That one. Number 2, I said 10 years back, the very first year of corporation, they resolved that they will have a Mahila Bhavan in Chandigarh. To date, that is in the papers only. Resolution is in the papers. I said, sir, being a woman, I am duty bound to carry the pendings forward. Then he started shouting at all his officers. I do this, that, blah, 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 they don't know. But with what outcome? Within 3 months, I could get both the jobs done excellently. And to date, the officer, the finance minister, finance secretary then, he was from Punjab. As and when he meets me, he said, ma'am, the toilets ne sanu sare administration nu parthu pa deta hai. So I dared say things because I was honest to my agenda. And with the result sheet, I could represent my corporation in Commonwealth twice. Then after 4 years, there's an international meet, World Congress of Local Bodies. I represented my country in South Korea, even though when I was in opposition. I was called by the ministry and I told them over the phone, I belong to this party. They said, never mind, we know it, but we want you to represent us. Those were big honors like that. And we had certain ventures like Lahore, the food street. I wanted to start in my city as a councillor only, but I didn't get the way. As a mayor, I brought that project. Then this certain other projects we worked. And today I feel really proud that nobody could do all that, whatever we did. And now the beauty of the whole thing is, now I'm not the mayor. The Mahila Bhavan, first I took the piece of land, then the whole concept was derived, budget was created, the building was getting ready. Now I was mayor in last 2007. To date, they could not complete that building. And last year, now we are in opposition. The mayor, since he was old clean, he came to me, Penji hath jode. मैं नहीं जानता किसी opposition ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ruling ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਮਹਿਲਾ ਭਵਨ ਚ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰਾ ਦਿਓ ਤੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਲੈ ਲਓ. They gave me the charge of that women empowerment committee as chairperson. So I am getting that done now. So when you have passion for work na ji सारा कुछ आपे आ जाता है. So much we also don't know, but then you try to learn from others कि करना है. Then you have this कि तुसी करना है.
You're sincere in what you believe.
That's it. But it was really, really difficult. But raising the slogan, making house a home, worked excellently. And my whole learning came out of that. You know, I emerged as a leader, a humble person.
So you mentioned that you're in opposition. Now you're in the Kali party, is it? Elections are over now in
हाँ, it's
India.
over now. Yeah, Punjab is over. 30th हो गया, 30th of April. Narendra Modi hopefully is the
Prime Minister.
Prime Minister, and fortunately, when it was my first election, he was in charge of Chandigarh, and we got started with him. And this time, when on the public rally, he came and he had a conversation with me over the stage, and everybody was asking me, the media, मोदी जी आपसे क्या बातें कर रहे थे? उन्होंने they felt very like overwhelmed कि would be prime minister is talking to her, like I said he was sharing his old memories with me.
Any other question? Suggestion? Everybody? Payepo?
अरदास कर दी
Okay. Any project for the Rotary Club or something like that? No?
We had a lengthy discussion yesterday at the Sony Center.
Rajendra? Respond? Hikmet? कोई नहीं विचार किधर किधर गया
I'm more concerned like in Amritsar, in Harmandir Sahib, what is the position of the women there? How we can improve that? Because we have heard Professor Manjeet Singh also. They already did so many things. They went with the
No, it's
Chestnut
okay.
Knights and so many things they did. But till the date,
That
we
is
are-
not the issue in Harmandir Sahib. Forget it. When we organized women conferences at Damdama Sahib, we had all that. Asa ki war, everything. Same way, Kesgarh Sahib, Anandpur Sahib, as and when we organized conference, we did everything. Let us not accept it like this. I rather say that every woman, she is blessed. She inherits so much. Kirtan aana chahiye. Let there be lot more women who knows Kirtan in true form, Raga de which.
but Panji, they don't accept those people.
It is okay. This is a very petty thing. They don't accept the gal nahi hai. You know, a banda inna greeb ho gaya hun. You know, man is not clear within. Terror किस gal da ये है कि if women will be representing, the men will be there. कुछ ऊंची नीवी हो गई.
Yes.
They are so weak within. Have pity on them. Simple. क्यों बेटी? Am I right?
very good
They
very very good
realize by this now.
This is not the issue.
देखो पंजी जो भी गुरबानी है साड़ी, they are denying the whole concept.
They are not denying. Every mother is denying the Guru's question. Every mother. Are we concerned? Every home needs. You know, this change will come from the bottom, not top. I bet ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਦਈਏ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਮਰਿਆਦਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿੱਖਣਾ ਐਨੇ ਬੀਬੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜੱਥੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਣ ਕਿ ਆਪੇ ਵਾਜਾ ਮਾਰਨਗੇ ਕਿਉਂ
बिल्कुल सही गल
We are not in that big number. ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਔਰਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਨ ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਕਰ ਲੈਣਗੀਆਂ ਦੱਸੋ ਨਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਮਤਲਬ that is not ਸਾਡਾ ਪਰਪਸ ਨਾਲੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਪਰਪਸ ਕੰਪੀਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂਗਾ
ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਤੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਬੋਲੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਘਰ ਘਰ
ਅੰਦਰ ਧਰਮਸ਼ਾਲਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਕੀਰਤਨ
ਕੀਰਤਨ ਸਦਾ ਵਿਸੋਗਾ ਘਰ ਘਰ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਫੇਰ ਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਬਣੇਗੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਘਰ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਚ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਕਿ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਤੇ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਹੋ
ਵਿੱਚੋਂ
ਰਹੇ
ਕਰੋਗੇ ਲੋ
ਲੈਟਸ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਫਰਮ ਦਾ ਅਬ ਉਹ
The character has gone so down, which is worrying part. Did we ever discuss why is this? This is because of the weak character of the man. We see men and women as a physical being. ਵੀ ਕੈਨ ਟਰਾਈਜ਼ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਥੋੜਾ ਜੀ ਰਹੇ ਦੇਖ ਪੜਾਈਆਂ ਚੰਗੀਆਂ ਮਾਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਧੀਆਂ ਜਾਣ ਸਾਡਾ ਉਹ ਕਿਰਦਾਰ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂਗਾ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਕਿਉਂ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਹੋਵੇ ਬੀਇੰਗ ਅ ਵੂਮਨ ਆਈ ਬਿਲੋਂਗ ਟੂ ਸੇ ਨੋ ਤਮਾਸ਼ਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਆਪਣਾ I am here, Naji. It's not a small thing. I'm out from my home for so many days. And now this is an extended period I'm here. It's not a small thing. Is that a small thing? Can every woman do that? I have earned the state. My husband has organized everything. Whatever was lacking, Vijay knows better. I was not available. My phone was not available. He had been organizing all the changes, everything, with no question. No question, no details. This is the earned status. We need to earn like this. और मैंने तो यही लगता ਹੁੰਦਾ कि साढ़े ची कमी है वही गल है गुरु साहब ने एक पैड़ा जाए चल वाली है सिर्फ सो लेट्स डू आवर पार्ट ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਦੂਜਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਸੁੱਤਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਤੇ ਕਿ ਕਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹ ਉੱਥੇ ਰਹਿ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸਾਰਾ
ਹਾਂਜੀ 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 from Australia okay ठीक है
What's your Australian experience?
Manya dear
expectation from them.
Oh,
I was in Melbourne first for 3 days. It was out of the city. The camp they organized out of the city. Then for 3 days I was in Adelaide. That was a program in 2 different gurdwaras. 3 sessions in gurdwaras. One like indoor discussion like this with the different organizations and committees like that. It was good, really good.
Chairman sir, Sardar Avtar Singh Terry sir the coalition the chairman है ऐसे जो के बैठे हैं
Vice President of Gurdwara Sahib.
Let me just check. That's very
and also the foundation the elections हो गया secretary है तो secretary of Guru Nanak Guru Gobind Singh Foundation election होनी है तो इन्होंने कर दिया बाद में लगा
बड़ा काम करता है
बड़ा काम करता होता है
कन्नड़ में ज़्यादा
अच्छा जी और किसी
So finally, I have to say something. To see, make a trip to India also. That's my invitation. Yeah, and we'll organize visiting places and like.
Ex-one retreat to Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. We look forward.
Yeah, why not? Rotary Club just went to Umsal and came in.
I really fun. We will make it Chandigarh, Anandpur Sahib, Amritsar, and make it interesting trip like that.
Maybe Swan can take that up. Yes.
Yeah.
No problem. Chandigarh, Amritsar.
From Desaru to Chandigarh now.
Yeah, I think
Improving.
President, let's go
So-
international now. Yeah.
Local to global now.
Local to global.
And if you are really keen, then in one of the different state discourses, you can be invited. You let me know.
Oh yeah.
So we used to have conferences in different states also. So in a fixed time in Calcutta also, then this Bhubaneswar side, Orissa also, MP also, Rajasthan also.
Okay जी, थोड़ा सारा का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. I'm sure we have all benefited
A lot. Very much.
very much
Very
from this short discussion today. Right? I know you all have had a longer session. 2.5 ਵਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ, 2:15 ਵਜੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ. ਸੁਖਮਨੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਪਾਠ ਕੀਤੇ, ਫਿਰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਲੈਕਚਰ ਸੁਣਿਆ, ਹੁਣ ਫਿਰ ਆਪਣਾ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. Wonderful, I'm sure it is worthwhile. ਤੇ ਕੱਲ ਦਾ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਸਤਸੰਗ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ is again giving a talk.
8 o'clock?
7:30 ਤੋਂ 8:30 7:30 ਤੋਂ 7:48 40 7:30 ਵਜੇ ਆ ਜਿਓ 7:40 ਤੇ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਤੋਂ 8:40 ਤੱਕ ਸੋ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਟੁਮਾਰੋ ਤੇ ਪਰਸੋਂ ਨੂੰ 골ਡਨ ਸਵਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਹੈਗਾ
Yep.
ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ 골ਡਨ ਸਵਾਨਸ ਆ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ 골ਡਨ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਆ ਜਿਓ 골ਡਨ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਆ ਜਿਓ That'll be the last session. After that, Sanjay is going back to Chandigarh, and we hope that we can have another program soon, right? Where we can have a longer session. I think a Sarjana camp or something like that will be good. We can coincide, and then we can have 3 days discussions and better input and so on will take place there. ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ 32 ਵੱਖਰੇ ਦੇ ਵਰਚੂਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ and all that can be dealt, discussed thoroughly and put into practice. Dissected also, practice and put into practice. ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸੋ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ. Thank you very much ਭੈਣ ਜੀ. We have been actually keeping you very busy and really on the go, but I'm sure ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਪੈਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਤੀਰ ਵੱਜਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਫਰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੋ ਆਮ ਸ਼ੋਰ
Firing.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸੋ
very tired.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ.
Not now, I think. I can say.
No, a bit later you will be.
No, not later.
Yesterday you
It
look
was
fresh
different.
also. Yesterday you were still fresh.
ਓਕੇ ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ.